In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Squarespace easily. By the end, your visitors will be able to view your schedule right on your site with just a quick embed. We'll start in Google Calendar to grab the embed code, open Google Calendar in your browser. In the left sidebar, find the specific calendar you want to show on your website and hover over its name. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. On the settings page, look for access permissions for events. If you want people visiting your site to see the calendar, turn on make available to public. Remember, a public calendar can be viewed by anyone with access to your site, so only enable this on a calendar you're comfortable sharing. Next, scroll to the integrate calendar section. You'll see an embed code field there. Copy that entire snippet. This is what we'll paste into Squarespace. Now switch to your Squarespace site. Log in and navigate to the page where you want the calendar to appear. Click Edit to enter the page editor, then hover until you see an insert point and click the plus icon. Choose the code block or select the embed block if you're on a version or plan that limits custom HTML. Paste the Google Calendar embed code into the field, then click Apply or Done and Save to publish the change. Give the page a quick refresh to confirm it loads. If the calendar doesn't show up, double check that the calendar is set to public in Google Calendar. Some browsers, cookie settings, and ad blockers can hide embedded content, so try disabling blockers or testing in a private window. If your plan restricts custom code, use Squarespace's embed block instead of a raw code block. You can optionally customize the look. In Google Calendar settings, the embed tool lets you choose the default view, such as month, week, or agenda, pick colors, and adjust the size. You can also tweak width and height values in the embed code to better fit your layout. In Squarespace, place the block in a section with the spacing and background that complements your design and preview on mobile to ensure it's readable. A few quick pro tips before we wrap up. Only events marked as public will appear on a public calendar, so review event visibility if something seems missing. Keep your site and calendar in the same time zone to avoid confusion. And if you ever switch to a different calendar, repeat the process to pull a fresh embed code. That's it. You've successfully added Google Calendar to your Squarespace site, quickly and cleanly.